Oh, hello there. I didn't see you there. Are you feeling like making some terrarium? Because I am. So, the first step is you grab a bunch of stones in your hand and you put them in the vase gently like this. And voila. This layer is for drainage. So, as you can see right here, that's right in front of me, is called activated charcoal. Is this a new word for you to learn? Because it's new to me. So now, with your hand, grab a pinch of activated charcoal, and you're gonna like spread it around like this, right in the bowl here. Look at that. I just add a little more just in case, but it's alright. Look at that. Now, it makes your hands dirty, but that's okay. Here's one thing you should know about activated charcoal. The activated charcoal keeps the air and water very clean. Alright, so here's the next step. Now, we're going to add some soil. We're going to put it right in the vase, just like that. You want to make sure you want to spread it around, right? Because you don't want any of the stones shown because we want it all covered up, right? Gotta be reasonable by spraying around the soil. Like just like that. Oh, just dropped a piece there, but that's alright. Yeah. Okay. Be very gentle with the soil. Right. So the next step is you want to make holes into the soil because we're gonna add plants soon. After I've done the holes, we are going to put the plants in. Alright, so now what you're gonna do, you're gonna grab the plant right here, and you're gonna squeeze the plant pot, and you're gonna gently take the plant out of the pot just like that. And then see how much soil there is? Squeeze as much as you can. Like this. Just like that. So, I mean, it should look really like this when you're done, so. Okay, so now you're gonna take the plant and you're gonna gently put it in the hole that you've dug up, just like that. All right, and now it's time to decorate the vase. As you can see, you have stones or rocks, a stick here, and Spanish moss. Which this is the kind of moss that is made from Spain, so it's all good. So now you're gonna take some moss, and you're gonna delicately place it onto the soil like this. Very delicately. Yeah, just like that. And look at that. Now I've covered all the soil with Spanish moss. And now you're gonna take one stone and you're gonna place it right on top of the Spanish moss. Do it very delicately, please. Do not want to go really hard with your decoration. And just like that, you'll be fine. And as you can see, I've added more decorations to the vase. I mean, you can really do anything you want with it. Because I don't mind. No, really, I really don't mind. So it's your decoration. You can do everything, do anything you want with it. Well then, hope you enjoyed your wonderful terrarium. And for more information, visit summit-school.com, and I will see you all next time.